Alright, everyone is getting their shoes on and we are getting ready to go hike down to the most beautiful waterfall in California, or so the book says. So, we have been to the most beautiful state park in California, in Point Lobos. You can check out that video a few back. And now we are going to go check out the most beautiful waterfall. We'll see. Burney Falls.
MacArthur Burney State Park Falls.
That too.
Here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in.
So Megan agrees. The most beautiful waterfall. Alright, we are going to do the 0.3 mile hike down to the base of the falls to go check those out and maybe get sprayed by some water. Does that sound good?
3 point?
What?
3 miles?
No, 0.3. Less than a mile. Alright? Alright, here we go. Found a caterpillar that's dancing and talking to him.
So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Guys are trying to figure out if they can make it on that rock over there. Let's see. See if they can do it. Oh, Ivan's trying. Oh, he's trying. Can you do it? He's gonna jump, belly flop it. Oh, he did it. He made it. Brandon is so excited. Yeah, one of you guys should go down there. What about you guys? Come on, next, Craig. Craig or Jake, one of them needs to go down there. So Malia, what did you think? Was that the most beautiful waterfall in California? Pretty epic, huh? That was a pretty cool waterfall. Would definitely recommend coming to check that out. You can go sit down at the bottom and you get the mist and the cool breeze. And
Some people were swimming.
yeah, they were. I don't think you're supposed to, but dip your toes in it. Very, very cool. Highly recommend.
Times another drink and I'll go anywhere the way you smell.
Canada just ripped one.
Here are the sulfur pot areas.
I like the smell.
Oh yeah, you can smell that.
I like it.
We're taking an ice cream break here at Lassen Volcanic National Park. What do you think about that drive?
It was cool.
Yeah, pretty, huh?
Yeah, really pretty.
How's your ice cream?
I like it.
The way you smell like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the.
We are by the sulfur, and you can smell it. It's all sticky, but pretty cool. Check it out. That is some bubbling mud. Look at that. That's crazy. How does it smell, Knox?
Somebody missed the toilet.
Doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying.
We found some snow.
Isn't that crazy?
There's a little bit more snow up there, some over here, and then there's the lake.
Crazy.
I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world.